Hello, everyone. My name is Mrs. Kirsten Fortier, and I am the music teacher here at Calvary Christian School. This is my 5th year teaching here, and I'm really excited about our new school year and everything that's taking place. A little about me: I teach 9th grade Old Testament, kindergarten general music, 4th grade general music, 5th grade band, 6th grade band, 5th grade choir, 6th grade choir, 7th through 8th grade choir, 7th through 12th grade band, high school choir. I'm also in charge of and leading the jazz band, and as well as the worship music that we have in our chapels. I also help out with the drama, and will be around to help students out if they need practices or need help with any music. You can very easily contact me through email at kfortier, Fortier, at calvarybellfountain.org. If they ever need any help with anything for practicing or just even have a music question. I'm really excited about all the different events we have this year. For the first time, we have a 7th and 8th grade musical, Willy Wonka Jr. in November. We have a 1st through 6th grade musical for Christmas called Harold the King in December. We also have our annual Christmas concert that we are holding at the Holland Theater in downtown Bellefontaine for 5th through 12th grade. It's really exciting, and it always sounds amazing, and we open it up to the community to have the opportunity to share the gospel with those who don't know Christ. We also take field trips to do the same thing, share music and share the gospel, as well as other concerts in the spring. We also have a jazz dinner in February as a fundraiser. We also do Music in the Parks, which is for 7th through 12th grade and high school band. The students will travel up to Sandusky, Ohio, where we will perform at a high school before judges. We'll get judged and even get a trophy. And we then, the students then get to enjoy the park and go on roller coasters and go shopping and anything else that Cedar Point has for the rest of the day. We have a lot of wonderful students here that are involved in music and find this as a great place to use their talents and gifts and abilities for Him. And it's always such a joy to see any student grow in the abilities that Christ gave them and enjoy doing it. If you have any questions concerning what students may need for band and choir, there is a supply list online on our website and also on the CCS app. You can also email me if you have any specific questions. Like I said before, at kfortier at calvarybellfountain.org. I'm really excited for this school year and everything that will take place, not just our activities and our concerts that we'll do, but also the growth that every student will get to have as they learn about Christ and grow in Him. And so many of them also maybe even come to know Him as their personal Lord and Savior. I'll be praying for all of you as the year starts, and I ask that you pray for me as well. I'm so excited to see you all, and I can't wait for the beginning of the year.